More than just milk. Discover the story behind every Nestlé Nespreay glass this World Milk Day. A journey exploring the people, care, and local farmers behind Nestlé Nespreay. South Africa, June 2026. Celebrated globally on June 1st, World Milk Day was established by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations (FAO) to recognize milk's important role in nutrition and celebrate the people and industries behind it. Under this year's theme, Sustainability in the Dairy Sector, Nestlé Nespreay is inviting South African families to look beyond the glass and discover the journey behind the brand, from local dairy farms to the trusted quality standard families rely on every day. At the center of this story is Skimmelkrans, the dairy farm that supplies fresh milk to the Nespreay factory in Mossel Bay, highlighting the people, care, and processes involved in bringing Nespreay products to families across the country. World Milk Day is an opportunity to celebrate the people, communities, and local expertise behind the products families enjoy every day. From trusted local dairy farms like Skimmelkrans Farm to the teams working behind the scenes at the Mossel Bay factory, there is great care taken at every step to help deliver quality milk to South African families. This is our promise to parents and caregivers across the country, says Mashachava Sikitla, Senior Brand Ambassador for Ambient Dairy, Nestle East and Southern Africa Region, ESAR. A story rooted in South African farms. Nestlé Nespreay is made using 100% locally sourced fresh milk from over 96 South African dairy farms across the Eastern and Western Cape, supporting local agriculture and the communities connected to it. Together, these farms demonstrate how dairy production can support environmental preservation without compromising high production standards. Leading farms such as Rooiheuwel Farms, Oakdale Agricultural High School, and grasslands agriculture set strong examples of low-carbon practices. Rooiheuwel, a 426-hectare farm, sustains a predominant herd of Jersey cows, each yielding 21 liters of milk daily. At Skimmelkrans, careful processes and rigorous quality checks help ensure consistency, safety, and quality consumers expect from the brand. Behind every Nestlé Nespreay is a network of local farmers, processors, and experts working together to deliver a trusted product to South African families. Jean Higgs, Agricultural Services Group Manager at Nestlé ESAR, emphasized the importance of delivering high-quality milk to consumers. Sourcing milk locally guarantees that the milk we use to make Nestlé Nespreay is as fresh as possible. This enables us to guarantee that the milk satisfies our exacting requirements for safety and quality. Supporting growing children every day. Milk plays an important role in supporting physical growth for school-going children. Nestlé Nespreay is specially formulated to support these important stages of development. Designed for children between 7 and 14 and trusted by families across South Africa, Nestlé Nespreay is formulated to meet the needs of school-aged children, offering them a source of 10 vitamins, iron, and zinc to support their overall growth and development. A commitment that extends beyond the glass. Globally, World Milk Day has increasingly become a conversation about sustainability, responsible food production, and the important role dairy plays in supporting communities and livelihoods. Beyond environmental gains, this initiative significantly impacts local communities. The Mossel Bay dairy farms and the factory employ over 1,000 people and support more than 13,000 individuals, uplifting the local economy. For Nespreay, quality goes hand in hand with responsibility, from responsible sourcing practices to mindful resource management. The brand continues to support approaches that contribute to the long-term sustainability of local dairy production and the communities connected to it. This broader commitment reflects an understanding that the journey from farm to family should create lasting value for consumers, communities, and future generations alike. Encouraging families to ask the good questions. Nespresso will continue the conversation beyond World Milk Day through an ongoing social content series encouraging families to ask the good questions, whether it's where the ingredients come from or how products are made. These everyday questions become opportunities for shared learning and greater connection to the food families enjoy every day. Because when you understand the journey behind your food, every glass means a little more. Nestle Nespray, always giving more.